Today's lesson announcement is pretty straightforward. First things first, I want you to go to Edpuzzle and check your feedback for the last time for quite a while, okay? You boys should have finished all your Edpuzzles by now. Most of you have, but for those of you who haven't, I am disappointed. Unless you actually communicated with me and told me why, I am disappointed, boys. I expect more than this, okay? It was a very small number of you, but I tried my best. I emailed you multiple times. Like, I was really trying to get you to go. So if you were one of those boys, guys, you're going to need to pull up your socks, because today I start assessing what you should have learned in those Edpuzzles. And if you didn't do them, then you didn't learn, and this assessment's going to be much harder. But anyway, let's carry on. So first things first, go onto Edpuzzles and check your feedback if you have any. Okay, boys? Make sure you understand everything, because today we're going to start two assignments simultaneously, okay? And they're both due in 2 weeks, okay, on the 31st of May. So you have plenty of time, all right? So you'll find one of the assignments under assessments, and that's the one we're going to be doing in class today, okay? That's matter and materials worksheet. So that you'll find if you go to the classwork tab and you look for the assessments tab, it'll be over there, okay? The other one you'll find in a new subheading called labs. That one is called recipes. This is the one that you won't be doing during class time, or you can if you have time, but you'll be doing it after school with your parents when they have time, okay? I've sent an email out to your parents, so they should know about it, or I'm sending it later today, okay? Now, the matter and material worksheet. What I want from you, I want to just make some points clear, is you have 1.5 lessons to complete the assignment. So you have this lesson and half of our next lesson to complete it, okay? That's a lot of time. On top of that, Ms. Van Sale is also going to let you have a lesson of her time, okay? Because remember, it's also an English assessment, okay? So you have a lot of time to work on it in school, and then I expect you to do a little bit of it for homework if you can't get a lot done during school. Now, I'm saying that, and you're going to open this and think, oh, it's easy. There are only like 8 questions. That should give you a hint, boys, that I expect a lot of detail in these answers. Okay, boys? So please go into a lot of detail in these. I want to tell you that you should aim to write a minimum of 50 words per answer. Not every answer will require you to do that little. Some will require you to do a lot more. But you should try and do 50. If you can't do 50, you're like, I've gotten to 40 or to 30. Fine, that's okay. I'm not going to mark you down, but you better make sure that answer is fantastic, okay? So make sure you explain everything. You don't just use words. You don't just say take the thing and put it in the sieve, or take the whatchamacallit. You actually use the correct scientific words that we have learned about in class. Boys, I'll be in the Google Meet to help you with this. All right. Then recipes. There's actually some instructions and videos in the lab section, so you can go and watch all of those. But you're basically going to go and make a recipe of some sweets, and then you're going to create a video on Flipgrid, okay? It's all down there, and you're going to post it back on. But today, let me just run through what I expect of you. Edpuzzles, check your feedback, move on to the assessments, and go into detail. This, you can go and check before the end of the period to check what I expect of you, okay, boys? Let me know if there's any confusion. And one more thing, if you're doing these recipes and you're struggling or something isn't working, message me. It's fine if it's outside of school. You can email me or message me on Hangouts. That's okay. I should get it. If I'm free, I'll try my best to help you, okay? If you or your parents just can't figure it out, I'm right there, okay? All right, awesome. Have a great day. I'm in the Meet if you need me.